Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel where I make videos about tech videos and show you the unboxing and what's inside the box and all the kind of uh, solution videos as well make just for you to make your help. So today in this video we have, as you know from this box I have in my hand, is iPhone 16 Plus in black color. I know there's a huge hype for this phone from the new design and the better quality. I'm gonna show you first what's inside the box comes with it if you order iPhone 16 or 16 Plus. In my previous video I recently did the unboxing for iPhone 16. So this is the plus one, which is a bit bigger. The only difference is a bit bigger. I'm gonna show you what's inside and I'm gonna make a comparison video as well, size wise, that I'm just gonna compare with iPhone 15 Pro Max, which I have here. This one is the last year one, so I'm just gonna compare that as well and tells you the difference in this one. So that's the main thing. Just rip this off. So when you do this, put this here. So is a beauty hidden in this box. I'll just explore the beauty in a bit. I'll just put right next to my 15 Pro Max so you can see it still looks the nice texture. So it comes with a cable and the booklet in it, which is like a manual and nothing else pretty much. As you can see, the box is empty. So this is like a manual, user manual. If you want to know anything about iPhone before, like the weird thing is before they used to give like a stickers, Apple stickers in all the phones. I think up until 15 Pro Max as well they were giving, but now those stickers are gone, sad. So but anyways, it's fine. This one is the user manual. If you want to read, you can read, otherwise you can put it back and keep it safe. The cable is giving is the same one like the giving 15 Pro Max onwards. Is a very nice texture on the cable. Is a nice quality. I think it's USB-C, of course. Yeah, USB-C. All the models 15 onwards are coming USB-C. There is a same opener. You can use that to take off the same jacket to put your SIM in. I'll just put this back as well. So the main phone, the main thing is here. The back is beautiful. As you can see, it's black color, but it's not the shining one. It's the matte black, and the apple is shiny. Yeah, apple is glossy, and the cameras are beautiful. Is very nice. I love this phone. So as you know, we all know they gave the camera button as well. That's the new camera button, a new big change in the 16 and 15, to be honest. Power button, and let's take this out. Oh, what a satisfaction. So yeah, from the sides I'll start from, that's the action button, which is they introduced in 15 onwards. Volume button, same jacket here on the left side from the top. Yeah, sides are also very nice and glossy. So on the right side we have two buttons because they added this camera button. I'm just gonna show you as well in a bit. So on the bottom we have USB-C, and that's a speaker, and that's, I'm sure, the microphone. So yeah, I would say it's very beautiful. Like it's very good kind of feeling in your hand. I'll just quickly compare, then I'm gonna make another video, a comparison video as well, Pro and the 16 Plus. So let's do the size wise first. So let's compare. So if I just put side by side from the top first, from the top is okay, fine. Let's go on the bottom. Yeah, so 16 Plus is a little bit bigger than 15 Pro Max. 16 Plus is 6.7 inch and 15 Pro Max is I think 6.5 if I'm not wrong. So but yeah, slightly bigger as well, this one. From the sides you can see the 16 Plus is slimmer than 15. So if I put it here like that, you can see the 16 Plus is very slim as compared to the 15 Pro Max. Just ignore the screen because I put the screen protector as well. But if you just look at the body of the phone, I'll just show the same sides. So yeah, sides are exactly same. The SIM jacket is they gave bigger than here, so but the lines and everything are same on this side. Yeah, that's what I was saying you. This is 15 Pro Max, this is 16, so that's what they introduced, this button and on this space for 16 all the models. From the top as well, same. Bottom, yeah, the bottom is same as well for 15. But yeah, 16 Plus is a bit thicker, slimmer than as compared to the 15 Pro Max. Let's turn this on from here. So beautiful. So yeah, I love the back, and I just showed you, it's very nice and glossy. I love the cameras, are two cameras, they're very big as well. I love it. So it was like another difference is on iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this one is, I think this one comes with A18 chip in it, which is faster. Obviously on all the 15 Pro Max is like A17, so that's also, but again there are features I'm just going to discuss in my next video. When you turn this on, you have to select again your country. I'm living in Ireland. Just quickly run the setup. Inside as well they have the same dynamic island from the top. I don't want to set up this as a new phone, so as you know, it's always pop up. So I know if you have an old phone, it's always give you pop-up, so you can set it up on the new phone. But if not, so here, if you are coming from your Android phone, you can select from another phone, and then you can from Android if you're switching from Android to iPhone. Otherwise, do not transfer. We're gonna so camera control, as you know, this is the button. It's telling us here as well, and then action button is the same here on the left side. You can customize if you want to, but if you want to go with, it's gonna come with by default a silent one to mute and unmute. Not now, set up later. So we are in the phone. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So we are in the phone is exactly the same, and I'm not gonna lie, but this phone is a bit wider than my 15 Pro Max as well. You can tell as well. So anyways, I'm not making a comparison video in this video. So yeah, this is very nice. And just to give you an information, iPhone 16 Plus start from the storage wise from 128 gig onwards up until 1 terabyte, and then wow, it's really fast because I'm a user of A17 chip, but still I'm finding it really fast. I know it's not a lot of difference, but there's a slightly bit difference which you can feel it. It's opening, loading good. I'm liking this one because it's wider as well, and if you like the kind of difference, a bit wider as well, I think you're gonna love this phone. And the looks and everything is, I would say it's 100% on this one. So let me give you a quick review on this new button which they introduced in this phone. So this is the button you can also use to zoom, and this is basically a camera button. You can use, like, hold the camera like that. It's actually like that. I actually like it, like if you like taking pictures all the time, so I think this is gonna be really quick. And if you are taking like quick selfie like that, you can just control with one hand. Otherwise you can just do it like this way. So there are many features. So yeah, that's the main one. In my next video I'm going to make a comparison video of iPhone 16 Plus and 15 Pro Max. I'm just going to show you really good things and good details if you plan to move from Pro Max to the Plus variant. I'm just going to tell you also a few camera tests as well, and show you the exact difference between the 15 Pro Max and 16 Plus. So if you're interested, so make sure keep an eye on and you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get the updates. So I'm sure you like this video, and if there's anything else you want to know about this phone, let me know in the comments below. I'll make sure I'll cover and reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're having a good day. Thank you.